Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Arthropoda, and Phylum Echinodermata. Of all living phyla, Arthropoda is the largest phylum with more than 9 lakh known species. This is the oldest and most biologically successful group. Arthropods occur in all habitats, almost everywhere in the world. They are bilaterally symmetrical, segmented animals. The body of arthropods is divided into a head and a trunk. The trunk may be divided into a thorax and an abdomen, as found in the case of insects. In some animals such as crabs, the thorax fuses with the head, and thus their body is divided into the cephalothorax and the abdomen. The body of arthropods is covered with an exoskeleton made of chitin, which is very hard. This exoskeleton is shed periodically in the course of their growth, and the process is known as ecdysis or molting. Arthropods have an open circulatory system. Their body contains a cavity called hemocoel, which surrounds the body organs. The heart pumps blood into this hemocoel so that the blood bathes the organs. The respiratory organs found in arthropods are gills in aquatic forms, while trachea or book lungs in terrestrial forms. The excretion takes place by coelomoducts or by Malpighian tubules. The nervous system of arthropods is well developed and is like the one found in annelids. It consists of a cerebral ganglion attached to a pair of ventral nerve cord with the help of a nerve ring surrounding the pharynx. Arthropods also show the presence of an endocrine system. Insects communicate through pheromones, which are secreted by the endocrine system. In arthropods, the sexes are separate. They are oviparous in nature, which means that they lay eggs. Scorpions are an exception to this fact, as they are viviparous. Arthropods have well-developed sense organs, such as antennae, to perceive sense of touch, a statocyst, an organ of balance, taste receptors located in their feet, and photoreceptors in the eyes to perceive light. Phylum Arthropoda is divided into 5 classes: Crustacea, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta, and Arachnida. Class Crustacea includes a wide range of animals, mostly aquatic. They show great variation in form and the presence of carapace, exoskeleton, and compound eye. Some examples are Daphnia, water flea, and Astacus, crayfish. Class Chilopoda includes centipedes. Their body consists of numerous pairs of legs. There is always one pair per segment. They also show the presence of a pair of poison claws. Class Diplopoda includes millipedes. Their body consists of numerous leg-bearing segments with 2 pairs of legs per segment. Class Insects is the largest group of terrestrial animals. They occupy every possible habitat. They have an extra ability to adapt to changes in the environment. Their mouth parts, such as mandibles and maxillae, are modified for various modes of feeding. They show the presence of pupal stage, that is, an incubation stage in their life cycle. This stage survived during unfavorable environmental condition. Some very common examples of insects are ants, cockroaches, mosquitoes and butterflies. Arachnida, the last class under the phylum Arthropoda, includes spiders and scorpions and is known for 8-legged arthropods. Their body is separated into a cephalothorax and an abdomen. Arachnids breathe in through book lungs or trachea. Most of the flying insects act as pollinating agents and help flowers to cross-pollinate. Arthropods such as crabs, prawns serve as delicious seafood which people like to eat. But several insects are serious pests that destroy crops worth billions of rupees. Termites cause damage to timber, houses and furniture. Parasites such as lice, fleas and mosquitoes spread diseases in humans and animals. For example, mosquitoes are vectors of malaria. The last phylum that comes under Invertebrata is Echinodermata. Echinoderms are marine organisms living at the bottom of the sea. The phylum includes starfish, brittle stars and sea urchins. Echinoderm adults are radially symmetrical, but the larval stage shows bilateral symmetry. They exhibit organ system level of body organization as it is differentiated into oral and arboreal surfaces. They do not have a proper circulatory system but a water vascular system through which the sea water circulates in their body. This system opens into the tube feet, which are used for locomotion and food collection. Respiration occurs through gills or papillae, protruding from the dermis or by the tube feet. In echinoderms, sexes are separate. The development shows the presence of a ciliated bilaterally symmetrical, free-swimming larva. The basic larval form of echinoderms is Diplurula larva. Phylum Echinodermata is divided into 4 main classes: Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea, and Holothuriidea. Class Asteroidea includes starfish. Their body is flattened with 5 radiating arms. The life cycle of starfish shows the presence of Bipinnaria larva, which develops into a starfish through a process. The second class, named Ophiuroidea, includes brittle stars. Their body is also flattened with 5 radiating arms, which are long, slender and flexible. Their life cycle shows the presence of Ophiopluteus larva. Class Echinoidea includes sea urchins. Their body is oval-shaped and enclosed in a tube made of calcareous material. The arms are absent and they show the presence of Echinopluteus larva in their life cycle. Class Holothuroidea includes Holothuria or sea cucumbers. Their body is cylindrical and elongated, while the arms are absent. Their life cycle shows the stage of Auricularia larva. Echinoderms are also of a great commercial importance. The dried and powdered skeleton of starfish is used as a calcium fertilizer.